When we mention vinegar, we are referring to either 5% white vinegar or the distilled vinegar and not the apple cider vinegar. Here are 10 powerful uses of vinegar for your plants and garden. At number 1. Soil pH amendment. Acid-loving plants like hydrangeas, gardenias, rose, hibiscus and many others need an acidic soil pH of around 6 or even less. Firstly, you need to test your soil pH using a simple pH testing gadget, which is inexpensive and easily available. If your soil tests neutral or alkaline, then you need to amend your soil pH. To do this, mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to 1 liter of water. Water your acid-loving plants with this solution once every 15 days to reduce the soil pH. At number 2. As a pesticide spray. Vinegar is an effective solution for eliminating unwanted garden insects and pests. To make this vinegar pesticide spray, add 1 cup of white vinegar to 1 liter of water and add some 10 drops of dishwashing or handwash liquid soap. Load it in a spray bottle. Shake the spray bottle well to mix the contents thoroughly before spraying on the plants. This is a reasonable remedy to control pests, like whiteflies and mealy bugs, especially for those countries where neem oil isn't available. At number 3. Treatment of powdery mildew fungus. To make this spray, add 1 cup of white vinegar to 1 liter of water and shake it well. Spray it on the affected leaves to treat the fungus. At number 4. Animal and rodent repellent. The pungent smell of vinegar can drive away some animals, like cats, dogs, deer, squirrels, rodents and many other animals. So how to use vinegar to deter animals? Well, the simplest method is to soak a cloth in vinegar and place it at those potential spots or entrances of these animals into your garden. But the problem with this is, the pungent smell fades away within a few hours and you might have to do this daily to prevent the animals. Another method to do this is using food-grade diatomaceous earth powder, that's DE powder in short. Mix some peppermint or lemon oil along with some vinegar in DE powder and pour it in small containers or bottle caps and place them in your garden. This DE powder has the ability to retain this odor for a longer time. At number 5. To control slugs and snails. To kill slugs and snails, spray the vinegar directly on the snails. The acetic acid of vinegar dissolves the snail shells. Though this looks a bit cruel, but if you want to save your food, grown out of your hard work, you need to get rid of these creatures. At number 6. Ant control. Vinegar can be used to drive away ants from your garden. Just pour undiluted solution around the ant hills or around the plants. Remember, do not pour it directly into the soil or near the roots. At number 7. Weed killer. Just spray undiluted white vinegar on the unwanted weeds or unwanted grass in your garden. This works very well in cracks and crevices. But you have to be very careful when applying close to your favorite plants. The mechanism of action involved is, it dissolves the cell membranes resulting in desiccation of tissues and death of the plant. At number 8. Drive away fruit flies from your plants. You need to make a vinegar bait, with 1 cup of water and half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it all together and put that solution in an empty container or tin can, and hang it on affected fruit trees. It will attract and trap the fruit flies. This solution can even be used for housefly control in your home or garden. At number 9. Cleaning your garden stuff. Vinegar can be used to clean rusty and dirty garden tools. Pour or dip the tools in vinegar for about 20 minutes and then rinse. You can also clean your dirty pots or containers. Just immerse the pots in a vinegar solution, like 1:2 or 1:3 dilution in water and clean after 20 to 30 minutes. At number 10. To provide free or soluble calcium to your plants. Particularly in acute deficiency of calcium which causes blossom end rot disease in tomato and pepper plants. Adding eggshells, lime, gypsum or calcium tablets to treat acute deficiency of calcium will not help. You need to provide free soluble calcium that can be easily absorbed by the roots. To make this, you can take a source of calcium, like lime or even powdered eggshells, and add white vinegar to this and shake well for an hour and then dilute this with a lot of water. Water this solution to your plants and give them instant source of free calcium readily available for absorption. Please like the video, share the video, and comment below with your queries and feedback. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!